Welcome guys, Cream Bars back again with another reaction video. Today we're checking another Canadian artist, Boy. No talk, you see me? I reacted about two Boy already. This dude is sick, I'm not gonna lie. So we're gonna check out this one and see what's going on. NGM, BMW, Mercedes. Man, them a jack the plan.
Alright, tonight is the night of our meeting. Everyone here was chosen because they're capable of carrying out the mission.
Oh, yo, like how I pay respect to Jamaica, you see me? Big up yourself, boy. Home to them.
So we do the crime, pull up on the scene. Why? Shot fly and boy get blind.
Yo.
So we do it. And do like an arm chase, now we do it. Yo, black it. Thematic them no stick, watch it. Hands up, people, some boy top when thematic go shell them men's. Everybody knows me have it funny and everybody know. Tell me no big friend, me no much of it.
Yo, I will create every day. I wonder if these are Canadian made dancer rhythm or what, because these rhythms are sick, bruh. Some of these rhythms I think of them get, bruh. Sick, bruh. And sexy, you know, man love flirt of woman already, and not really suspect no. The girl them are the perfect weapons to go take out boy. You think them nah pretty some sexy girl come break them ends. I watch at them ends.
Easy no man. When the matic the bark, a boy just chop and spot like us. Tell them we no broke house and she got start squeeze and them boy then head back to the lad. Heavy head back to guy. And we no complete up much heavy in the bag. Up in a I'm chase. You we got the car looks like pandy belly.
Yo, this sick. Oh my. I have a couple things to say. Probably when the video done I say it. You see me? But ha. That's all like the Addy laugh. Addy himself. Yeah, but I use a bad skill, you see me? I use a talented. Not that I mean talented, I mean like vice tone, and they can do anything, you see, because when you think about it, anybody can really sing a song. If somebody write a song, some of them can probably sing it, but if you don't have the voice and the style for music, the song them tough and everything, you see me? But sometimes the method with the song them pursue, like the violence and everything, because we know Trinidad violence and Jamaica violence, you see me? So sometimes some of the music we know to influence the youth them to do some crazy shit, you see me? But me feel like the youth them to wise up and say, yo, listen, even though this is a song, it would be just like a movie where a person will be violent and people are boom up different country or drop nuke on different country. You have to be the one to take reality from fiction from reality, you see me? Don't just not because they listen to a song or watch a movie or go make it influence their mind, but not everybody think logically. So while this would influence me to rob a bank or shoot up our ends, probably did influence some people. I'm just saying. But this song was very good. Like that's why I was kind of conflicted, because I really like the lyrics are tough, but you know, big up yourself, boy. Again, this one is tough as usual. So